अपशब्दों का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए, which means we must not use inappropriate words. This was an advice given to me when I was visiting a great policeman in my teenage years, and I thought I would be special because I could use language that was said to be used by policemen. While people say a lot of things, this was an advice that came to me from a very senior and respectful person who, just for this line, has become very close to my heart. It was a lesson, and I will not say that I was able to imbibe it immediately. It took me a long time to appreciate the wisdom. Whenever I hear anyone using inappropriate language, I am reminded of this one line: अपशब्दों का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए. When I heard today Narendra Modi talking of the tongue that comes between the teeth, nobody breaks the teeth. Similarly, children, when they use inappropriate language, inappropriate behavior, they need to be given another chance. I would go a few steps ahead. You must have heard of the story of the wise man who wants to find the right successor. And to each of them, he gives a handful of seeds and tells them that I'm going on a journey. When I come back, I want to see who is able to give it to me back. The first son takes the seeds and sells it off with the idea that he will buy it back when the time comes. The second son takes the handful of seeds and hides it in a secret space in the basement. The third son takes the seeds and scatters them on a fertile plot of land. And year after year, he keeps harvesting and multiplying the seeds. When it's time for the wise man to come back, the eldest buys back fresh seeds, proud that he has been able to outsmart everyone, and gives the handful of seeds to the wise man. The second son brings out the seeds that he had hidden in the basement. Some of the seeds have been eaten up by the pests, but he is able to bring back the whole handful. The third son brings a bag of seeds and tells his father how he used the seeds, and it is said that the father chooses him as the successor. We are all born with youthful energy. We are all born with our senses, our power of expression. How we express it is up to us. We heard a lot of people respond the way they responded, and we also heard our Prime Minister respond to it. I do not know which one you liked the most, but it reminded me this great wise man who calmly told me, "अपशब्दों का प्रयोग नहीं करते." It was a powerful statement from a very powerful man, and I still think it was a very powerful message. I hope this reaches the right person at the right time and we learn how to use our power of expression.